Hello, this is Anthony George Senda, the official, the real, the authentic, the original, the one, the only, the guy from Pittsburgh. And I watched the author of this book on Hannity's podcast. And I've been wanting to read this for a long time. Channel numbers are 12,008. Ding, ding, ding. 583 subscribers. Thank you, new subscriber. And the fetch points are 90,574. Kathy's going to go watch fireworks Saturday. I'm going to her house tomorrow. She's going to come here and help me do laundry and clean on Tuesday. I have to clean the living room, clean the kitchen. It's stupid to clean the kitchen. The stove hasn't worked in 2 years. But the manager, you have to clean. All right, I got this. My hunt for paranormal books. This is Inside the Pentagon's Hunt for UFOs Imminent. Luis Elizondo, former head of the Department of Defense's Advanced Aerospace Threat Identification Program, and they tried to cancel him, tried to make like he didn't exist. So he's still doing work for the Army. So I will have to read this and let you know how it is. Just got it, hardback, another edition of my paranormal book collection. Okay, that's it for this one. Have a great night. Stay cool, stay hydrated, stay safe, and watch the skies. Except no cheesy YouTube commentators, imposters, trolls, or hackers. I will deal with that next week when I have 5 seconds to breathe. I had to stay on the phone forever with AT&T today about my bill and do other things. I was up at 3 in the morning. I got about 3 hours of sleep today, so I'm like, ugh. All right, I will catch you later. More unboxing to come. Thanks for watching. Click the like button and subscribe. This is George Senda, the guy from Pittsburgh. Bye-bye until the next one. Have a great evening.